Love it. It came very nice packaged. My hair is very thin and fine with dry ends and oily roots. With this duo my hair look healthier and I unwash them less often. I have used it for over a week now and I love how my hair shining. Conditioner does the great job in moisturizing my hair so they look healthy and alive. This couple pleased me with its quality, which compares favorably with other shampoos and conditioners with argan oil from other brands. Strongly recommend. Thanks to the manufacturer, Arena, I bought this shampoo and conditioner set for my daughter. She has been loving her hair and my wife and I love the smell. It flows easily and is great to brush. This shampoo cleans deep down to the roots, removing all buildup. I recommend this product from Pure Nature Argan Oil Moroccan Hair Set. Great option for dry, overworked hair. Ordered this set about 2 weeks ago. One of my best purchases. Absolutely love it. Smell is amazing. My hair looks much more shiny and smooth, very soft. I'm washing my hair 3 times a week and can see huge difference. No more stores shampoo and conditioner. Definitely recommend. I came across this brand by accident, and fell in love with the shampoo. It makes my dry hair clean and moisturized. On couple occasions I didn't have time to put conditioner on, baby, but even then the hair was still moisturized and felt nicely. Then I tried the conditioner. It truly complements the shampoo. My hair looks much healthier since I started to use this brand. First time buying as a set. Saves couple bucks and also comes in a box, so it can be used as a gift. I'm naturally a dark brown with red undertones and I have bleached my hair to an almost platinum, so my hair is a little over-processed. I've washed and conditioned my hair 2x since switching and my hair is already showing a huge improvement. My hair is not near as frizzy, it's at least 50% softer, and my hair seems fuller, not weighted down by conditioner buildup. In the past I've used other more expensive brands of shampoo and conditioner but nothing gave me these quick of results. Update: my hair has never been healthier and I have never received more compliments on my hair than I do now. I like this set. A very pleasant smell and my hair became very tender and healthy. Definitely will buy it again. I'm in love. Using this shampoo I paid less money for the same value. I have to buy sulfate-free shampoo after I did keratin treatment, but usually this type of shampoo is very expensive. With this one my hair looked great. And I guess because of argan oil they became so soft and smooth, finally. Smile. Nothing special, I expected more natural and not too much foaming shampoo. I started using shampoo and conditioner with argan oil. My hair type is a combined, the roots quickly oily and the tips are dry, and the shampoo in combination with the conditioner from the same cereal is perfect for me. There are dispensers on both products. It is very comfortable to use. The shampoo itself foams very well, there is a delicious smell. It is washed off easily. I really like the shampoo and conditioner using together. It does not dry the scalp and hair, on the contrary, it even moisturizes. Doesn't mess up hair. Makes hair thicker and more voluminous. Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner is a good Christmas gift. As hairdresser can say that the formula of these argan oil shampoo and conditioner are very professional. It reduces hair loss, contains a lot of great smelling oils, rinses clean. This shampoo and conditioner is perfect for my hair. Good price and quality. 5 stars. Finally I found shampoo and conditioner that soothe my hair. Great moisturizer. My hair feel cleaner and for longer time, 4 days still look nice, not greasy. Feel pretty clean on my scalp, also look much healthier and soft. I'm happy with it. This is the best shampoo and conditioner set I have ever had. It was so nicely packed and it is really good present if you are looking for it. Your hair will be grateful to you for such a good treatment. This argan oil shampoo set is really one love. Finally I found the perfect product. My hair after the first application became shiny and silky. Easier to comb. Nice smell. I always had this issue of shampoos making my scalp greasy but my ends dry. My hair was so brittle and it showed. This has been a game changer. My hair is super soft, frizz-free, thick and healthy. I receive so many compliments since I started using this. My hair also has been falling out less in the shower. I honestly have been looking for something to help my hair for years, and am never looking back. I also use the daily hair repair and the combo and it's fantastic. I ordered Pure Nature Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner on the advice. I have long blonde thick hair and for this type of hair, shampoo and conditioner are perfect. The volume of bottles is large and enough for long use. At first, it took time for the scalp to get used to my new shampoo and it was peeling off, but just continue to wash your hair and do not change the shampoo and you will see a good result. Tip for girls with long hair, use the conditioner twice. The first time you wet your head, first apply a little conditioner to the ends of your hair. Then take a shower and wash your hair with shampoo. After the shampoo has been washed out, apply the usual amount of conditioner you need. For a long time I was looking for a standing, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. I really liked the combination of quality and price. Large volume, convenient to use and excellent quality. Well foams, hair soft and shiny. Beautiful packaging to use as a gift. Recommend. Noticed a change instantly and am looking forward to seeing in the long run. I love how it makes my hair feel soft and manageable and no sulfate. And it makes a very good gift. The box is so nice. Overall I think this product is great. My hair definitely feels moisturized and smells amazing. I did think this product was overpriced for the size. I use only natural cosmetics for my hair and face. This shampoo is a natural, sulfate-free and contains argan oil. I use this shampoo and conditioner for months and I really like the effect and scent. When my friend asked me to recommend shampoo for her, I recommended it. It is one of the best presents you can make for your friends or relatives. Especially for that price. I love this set, perfect for my dry damaged hair. Even my husband's Asian hair type was so soft after usage. Definitely recommend. The shampoo and conditioner have nice scent and rich texture. My hair is visually brighter even after I used it a couple times. I'm very happy with the purchase, great value and superior quality of the product. Nice bottle design, leaves my hair hydrated, easy to comb and shining. Normally argan oil shampoos and conditioners tend to be good for a thick curly hair, but this miracle shampoo works best on my thin hair. Split end problem resolved as well. I highly recommend this product, 5-star, well deserved. Love argan oil shampoo and conditioner, my hair looks healthy. Will buy again. Great seller. I washed my hair only 3 times since the purchase this set shampoo and conditioner, but the result is already amazing. The scalp stopped scratching due to dryness. Hair is much softer, easier to styling and ceased to crazy fluffy. The set of argan oil shampoo and conditioner is what my hair want. I am very pleased with my choice. My hair looks healthy now. Great value for money. Click link in description for more reviews.